Match.
It was very tough match against. Can have to take in, have to consider that United is an I-League 2 team. And they have very good players. Tarafin Brown, Dites scored a very good goal. The goalkeeper was excellent today, this afternoon, and also good coach. They are playing good football, and I knew that this first game it was going to be very tough for us.
Coach, where did you think this match should have been won by you? More goals you could have?
I think it was very tough game. I think we were better. We had more chances than the opponent. They have also one very good chance in the second half. But I think we were better in terms of we have more the possession and more chances. No, but I think that it was a very tough game to start the league.
And Jobby Justin's performance, not only Jobby,
This is your job, no, as a journalist to say. But of course, it's a pleasure for us to have a Jobby Justin in our team because he's a player with a lot of experience in ISL and I-League, and not only because also he's playing Calcutta League and he's playing at an excellent level, at the same level that if he's playing in Indian Super League.
and also Raju Gaikwad.
Yeah, Raju, the experience of Raju is important for us in the defensive line because he's not only a good player, also he's can be a leader with Bikramjit Singh in the defensive line.
Okay.
Are you satisfied with the first day performance?
3 points. No, 3 points, and I think that we were better than the opponent. Tough game, very tough game. I think we had more chances. The goalkeeper was excellent, and we are very happy with the 3 points and the start with this, but also with the level of the team. No, and slowly we will go. We will try to improve every day. No? Now enjoy today and focus in second game against DSS in 1 week.
What is the strongest team in your group?
Everyone, next one. Next one is the strongest because this one is the one that we are going to play. No? So, respect to everyone. I know because in my experience also in Mogumba Ghana last season that Calcutta League is very tough. Every match you can lose because there are a lot of quality and there is tough, and also the pitches they are going to be with the rainy season difficult. So let's focus to the next game. Of course, and I said before, our group is very tough, no, because not only Mohamedan is Kiderpur, is BSS, is Army Red, is Kaligat, is Southern Samiti, Shurichi. They built a very good team. Every team is going to be good.
Yeah, we got the 3 points. Yeah, we will go step by step.
But आज हैट्रिक होने का चांसेस था कभी?
Chance, it's football, na? They were also tough opponents, so they also played very well. So it's not about scoring a hat-trick. It's about getting 3 points in this CFL league.
कैसे मेंटेन कर रहे हो इस परफॉर्मेंस को? अभी इतना सीनियर हो, अभी भी 90 मिनट्स तुम खेल रहे हो, अभी सारा एक्सपेक्टेशन तुम्हारे ऊपर है कोच ने भी बोला, कैसे राज क्या है?
ज़्यादा सीनियर नहीं हुआ, अभी भी यंग है, अभी भी खेल सकते हैं, और हम लोग का अच्छा कोच मिला और वी हैव ए गुड स्क्वाड. दे आल्सो प्लेइंग वेरी गुड फुटबॉल. दे आर कॉम्पीटिंग अगेंस्ट मी. सो ऐसे मेरे प्रिपरेशन भी बढ़ रहे, ऐसे अच्छा लग रहा है.
टारगेट क्या है तुम्हारा, अपना पर्सनल टारगेट क्या है इस साल?
DHFC को चैम्पियनशिप खोल के देना है.
दोनों गोल में से कौन सा गोल सबसे अच्छा था?
मुझे भी पता नहीं कौन सा अच्छा है, अभी जाग के देखना है वीडियो.
और एक रिडेम्पशन का सोच के है कि रिडेम्पशन, क्योंकि आप पहले भी एक बहुत ही बड़े लेवल पे थे, आप 2 गोल कर चुके, तो क्या इससे क्या रिडेम्पशन स्टोरी क्या बता सकते हैं?
रिडेम्पशन
मतलब हिंदी की मतलब कम बैक जो होता है, कम बैक.
No, I'm still in the competition. It's not that DHFC is in the lower division. They are also treating us in the best way. I hope we are playing the I-League qualifiers, I hope they will qualify, and yeah, we as a team will make the DHFC a good team.
গোল করলে তো কি বলবেন নিজের এবং টিমের পারফরমেন্স নিয়ে?
আমাদের টিম খুব অল্প সময় প্র্যাকটিস করেছে, 15-20 দিন মতো প্র্যাকটিস করে এই ম্যাচ খেলছি। ফার্স্ট ম্যাচ অবভিয়াসলি টাফ হয় সব টিমের জন্য, আর ভালো টিম এগেস্টে তো ভালো গোল পেয়েছি, ভালো লাগছে। ম্যাচ লুজ করেছি, পরের ম্যাচের জন্য চিন্তা ভাবনা করছি, পরের ম্যাচ জেতার।
তোমার শুরুর জার্নিটা যদি একটু বলো, কোথা থেকে ফুটবল খেলা শুরু?
প্রথমে আমি আমাদের জিরাট কোচিং ক্যাম্প বলাগড়, সেখানে প্র্যাকটিস করতাম। সেখান থেকে ত্রিবেণী স্পোর্টিং ক্লাব থেকে ইউনাইটেডে আসা, তারপর ইউনাইটেড।
আর এই গোলটাতে করলে মানে তখন চিন্তা ভাবনাটা কী ছিল, মানে মাথার মধ্যে কি ক্রস করতে গেছিল না সত্যি এটা গোলে শটটা রাখতে গেছিল?
গোলেই রাখতে গেছিলাম, তখন এক গোলে হারছিলাম। আমাদের গোল তো লাগতেই, ফার্স্ট হাফে চেষ্টা করছিলাম যেটা গোল করার। গোলটা এসে গেছে, খুব ভালো হচ্ছে গোল করে।
ইউনাইটেডে কত বছর রয়েছে?
ছোটো থেকে,
ছোটো থেকে
ইউথ থেকে ইউনাইটেড আসি।
স্টিভ হাভার্সের আন্ডারেই একদম পুরো টোটাল প্র্যাকটিসটা করেছে। তো কোচ স্টিভ হাভার্সকে নিয়ে বল, কারণ অনেক দিন ধরেই তো উনি রয়েছেন, পুরো সেট আপটা উনি জানেন। তোমাদের মতো ইউথদেরকে কীভাবে উনি গড়ে তুলছেন?
আমাদের মতো ইউথদেরও অনেক গাইড করে, অনেক মোটিভেশন করে যে চলো হবে, কোনো ব্যাপার না। অনেক সময় দেয় প্লেয়ারদের, অনেক সময় দেয়, ছোটো ইউথদের অনেক সময় দেয়, ম্যাচ টাইম দেয়। চেষ্টা করছে ওর আন্ডার থেকে আরও ভালো পারফরমেন্স করে।
বাড়ি কোথায় তোমার?
বাড়ি আমার হচ্ছে হুগলি জেলা।
কে কে
বাবা,
আছে?
মা, দাদা, ভাই।
No, but for me, it's not even a saying about a tough game or not a tough game. If I look at the preparation that we've only had, honestly, I think we've had the whole squad together for 2 days.
2 days.
2 days only. All the rest, there was players going for office trials, there was players going for everywhere and nowhere, for exams. So we did a lot of trials to get the team together. We only started on the 29th. So it's for us that we have been able to put a plan together where Diamond Harbour, in my eyes, like I said before the match also, is one of the main favourites for the title. The way that they've prepared, the way the team that they have. So for us to have put a plan for them to get it very difficult, and the 2 goals that we can see at the end are 2 goals where we make the mistakes. And if you look at our team, I think there's only 4 or 5 players who ever played at this level. Most of them come from the 2nd division, come from the 3rd division. Some of them come from the 1st division. So to make a team in such a short period for us, it's been a good step. But of course, yeah, you want to go home with at least a point. You don't want to go home with 0 points. You know, in a competition like here where there's only 12 matches, that it will not be easy. But as I said from the beginning, we will be for sure not one of the candidates to go and play for any top 3 or any what or how. We will do our best to get there. We will do everything that we can to get there. But a team that we have with the experience or the less of experience, it will be very difficult. But as you saw, our boys can put up a fight with any team, and that's what we will try to do. And we need to improve that we don't make these personal mistakes. It's one home goal over there. It's a mistake here that he should have had, but he had a head injury, I think around 15 days ago. He had a bad head injury, Rahul. So at the end, these are the moments that change a game. And that's what you've seen here. But it's congratulations to Diamond Harbour. I know that they will get a lot of points in this group, and it's up to us to find a solution for the next match against Allianz.
Your goalkeeper and Dipesh, outstanding today.
Yeah, but it's what I say. These are 2 of the boys at the end who have the experience now. Dipesh is now, because I'm in my 4th CFL. The first year he was almost not playing. He was always on the bench or in the stand. The second year he came in as a substitute, and now he's one of my starting 11 players. Same thing with Sorop. You only got 4 or 5 players like that in our group, and that's what most of the people don't know or don't understand at how it is at United right now. This is the reality at United. There is not much experience in its team. There is a lot of young players who have never played at this level. And it's up to us to challenge the teams and to try to get our points. And of course, I want to get into a top 3 and I want to play for everything. But I'm realistic, the same as I was realistic in I-League too. If you don't have a full preparation with a full-time squad, it is very tough, it is very difficult. And still we have put up a game where Diamond Harbour was sure that they didn't understand what they had to do. We made some tactical changes within the game. And at the end, we could have gone home with a draw. So it's a shame that we didn't. But that's up to us to find a solution for the next game.
कुछ